In Japan, railways are so integral to daily life, people often take them for granted. We wondered if there wasn't a way to remind people of the romance and adventure of rail travel. So we researched the history of train stations across the country. We also searched social media for mentions of stations and people's memories of visiting them. Based on this research, we created woodcut-style stamps for each station and a web app for collecting stamps on a smartphone when passing through a station. Rail travel became more fun. People visited more stations to collect more stamps. Even everyday commuting became an adventure. It made people want to discover new sights and attractions. They began to think about railways in an entirely new way and saw the country in a whole new light. To support the campaign, we created in-station billboards. Participants could also win stamp books, posters, and promotional items. With our campaign, we created an emotional connection between people and trains and started an interactive dialogue to help shape the railways of tomorrow. My Japan Railway.